How to connect with the car. First click on the time icon, then click on your device name. After download Smartplay on phone. After then download Smartplay remote. After 2 weeks of car registration it will register. So choose guest. You can change the source audio and volume for the app, but one bad thing, every time you switch on the car sometime I will not connect, so you have to connect again.
Free number services द्वारा करिए बैलेंस।
We can change the settings for the app. You can select action like screen on, screen off, system on.